This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta Dura bread easy guide. Combine 500 g semolina, 10 g salt, and 7 g instant yeast in a large bowl, then pour in 300 ml warm water slowly. Mix with a wooden spoon until shaggy, add 2 tablespoons olive oil, and scrape the sides clean. Begin kneading on a lightly floured surface to develop structure and firmness required for pasta Dura bread. Knead the dough firmly for 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes elastic and slightly firm, which gives pasta Dura its character. Use a 1/4 fold technique every 5 minutes to strengthen gluten without overworking. After kneading, shape into a tight ball and place under a damp towel, allowing it to rest for 45 to 60 minutes so the dough relaxes while retaining its firm structure for shaping. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice, life's too short for a stinky car, and yes, it pairs humorously with kitchen aromas when you're rushing between oven and errands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After resting, divide and shape the dough into tight logs or buns to preserve the dense crumb that defines pasta Dura bread. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees C and introduce steam for the first 10 minutes to help set a crisp crust while keeping the interior firm. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown, then cool on a rack. Slicing too soon can alter texture, so allow it to rest for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.